Today we've been taking a look at sound therapy here at Totally Sound Health, a bit of an alternative treatment that can help you treat things like hearing loss, tinnitus and sleep issues, as well as even learning difficulties in children by targeting the auditory system and helping your central nervous system. Now here at Totally Sound Health, Simone offers a range of different therapies that also go with the sound therapy, like reflexology and massage. It's all about a natural and holistic approach to life that can help you relax and get through the stressful nature of day-to-day life. She's also got a great range of natural products that help you going along with this natural and holistic approach. She's the only sound therapist in Perth, and sound therapy is that alternative therapy that might just help you with your health issue.
Hi, I'm Simone from Totally Sound Health. If you're under a lot of stress, feeling stuck in your life, haven't found anything that can really help you move from where you're at, come and see me. I've got a number of different modalities, different programs and products that can help.